Welcome back, everyone. I'm Jenny Montgomery.
I'm Brad Means. Thanks for staying with us as coverage you can count on continues with a video that is circulating on social media recently. It shows an incident involving a deputy and a teenager. News Channel 6's Renetta Dubose live at the intersection of Boy Scout and Skinner Mill Roads in Augusta, where this happened yesterday. Renetta?
Brad, those teens could be seen right here at this intersection on more than one occasion selling bottled water. But that's not the basis for the arrest. Deputies tell us that it is a traffic hazard, and as you can see, cars are pulling up. It is a busy intersection.
But that's a whole child. That is a child.
This video shot at a busy intersection in Augusta shows the result of an encounter between a deputy with the Richmond County Sheriff's Office and a teenager Sunday.
It's a child. You got to think about it.
As a bystander shoots the video, he tries to get the deputy to consider the age of the kid, all while continuing with an apparent arrest as others watched. And then that deputy reassures those nearby.
Y'all mind your business. I got this.
News Channel 6 learned that the kids were seen more than once in the intersection of Skinner Mill Road and Boy Scout Road, but not just selling water. Deputies tell us they were stepping into traffic in the roadway, which they say is a hazard. Sunday, a deputy stopped and met one 15-year-old with obscene language and then a confrontation that led to an arrest. But as soon as a portion of what happened hit social media, people began taking sides, praising the deputy and others supporting the kid. Jennifer Taylor writes, "Those boys are doing nothing more than what parents set up for their kids selling lemonade in neighborhoods. They just happen to be where the action is, and that's smart. Go where the traffic is, and it's not like that's a hot spot for lots of traffic." Other reports on social media allege the child's mother took him to a hospital and is considering a lawyer. We reached out to a local attorney to see if an incident such as this one could turn into a civil matter.
Expert testimony would have to be called to show how a police officer breached the standard of care.
The teen was charged with a misdemeanor, obstruction of a law enforcement officer, and released to a relative. There are no charges for selling the water, but deputies say you need to have a permit to sell anything on a county right-of-way.
The first thing that a lawyer is always going to look at is what are the damages? How was a person damaged from a certain incident? Was he or she injured? Are there medical bills?
Now, we spoke with someone to help us have better encounters with police officers, and he tells us, 1, to obey all lawful commands, 2, to not get into an argument in the streets, save that for the courts. Live in Augusta, Renetta Dubose, WJBF News Channel 6.